AI engineers, we feel your pain. You're spending weeks stitching together RAG pipelines with duct tape solutions, fighting with inconsistent chunking strategies, tuning vector search thresholds by hand, and praying your evaluation metrics actually reflect real world performance. Our RAG pipeline pack solves this with semantic aware chunking that respects document structure, multi model embedding generation using SentenceBERT and OpenAI APIs, hybrid vector search with phase Milvus integration, and transformer re ranking using cross encoder architectures. This is for ML engineers drowning in unstructured data, data scientists battling drift in production models, and MLOps specialists trying to standardize evaluation protocols. Stop building pipelines with deprecated code snippets from 2020. Let's do this right. Here's what's inside the RAG pipeline pack. Data preparation with overlap-aware windowing chunking strategies. Embedding generation supporting SentenceBERT, OpenAI, and Hugging Face models. Hybrid search combining FIS, Milvus, vector databases with keyword matching. Transformer re-ranking using cross-encoder architectures for precise results. Automated evaluation with precision at K, recall at K, and MRR metrics. MLOps templates for monitoring drift and model degradation. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere. Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. Stop prototyping in the dark. Ship production-ready RAG systems with confidence. Installing the RAG pipeline pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add RAG pipeline pack. That's it. You get the complete workflow: semantic chunking modules, embedding generation pipelines, hybrid search implementations, and evaluation frameworks. Your next Claude code session picks up the MLOps templates automatically. Your AI assistant now knows how to optimize vector index configurations and validate re-ranking performance. No more hunting for compatible libraries or reverse engineering research papers. Just one command away from finally fixing that good enough for demo pipeline you've been pretending works in production.